Google Cloud Associate Engineer certification. One of the responsibilities of an Associate Cloud Engineer on Google Cloud Platform is to uphold best practices in identity and access management. What action should be taken to align with Google Cloud's best practices? A. Make roles that are customized for each user to give more specific control over access. B. Give users extensive roles to enable them to complete all required tasks. C. It is better to assign roles based on the project rather than on individual resources. D. Assign roles according to the principle of giving the minimum necessary privileges. Correct answer. D. Assign roles according to the principle of giving the minimum necessary privileges. Explanation. The principle of least privilege suggests that users should only be given the permissions they need for their tasks, minimizing potential damage from accidents or compromises. Grant users the broadest possible roles so they can perform all necessary tasks. This approach increases the risk of unauthorized access or actions. Instead, Google recommends following the principle of least privilege, which means providing users with only the permissions required for their job responsibilities. While assigning roles at the project level may simplify management in certain cases, it is often necessary to control access at the resource level for more precise control and enhanced security. Although custom roles can be useful for specific use cases, it is generally better and easier to manage by using predefined roles whenever possible. Keywords. Uphold best practices in identity and access management. Indicates the specific responsibility in focus. Subscribe and follow us.